I would like to share with you the I wish, I need, and I wonder tool. This simple technique helps facilitate discussions and prioritize needs over questions that people have during a meeting or related to a project or proposal. This technique can be used with a whiteboard by adding sticky notes in each section or by using a format with 3 different sections, like this. I wish. In here, add sticky notes with nice-to-have items and things you wish were true. I wonder. List things that you wonder about, think could be nice to know, or have concerns about. If any of these seem high risk and may need immediate investigation, mark them with a red dot. I need. List things you need, such as things that need to be implemented, things that have to change or improve to work better, or even blockers. I personally like to ask participants to react to other people's sticky notes so that I can easily focus on those with more weight. For example, any wonders that seem risky to leave as unknowns. So, I usually add a note to encourage people to react to those sticky notes. This tool is available at Nova, but you can also add additional questions and sections by editing the session and even turn it into a whiteboard. Keep in mind that by turning it into a whiteboard, you will lose all your sticky notes. Learn more about these types of techniques and tools at Nova and follow us to stay in the loop.